All right, so here's another update video. I'm running a couple days behind with these. My builder's been pretty on top of it, making things happen. So yesterday afternoon, fairly late in the afternoon, because I had already gotten down here after work, they came down and dug all my all the trenching for the water line here and all the underground utilities under the house, all the sewer lines. I don't think I'm going to upload that because it's just going to be repetitive, but they tied into the 2-inch water line I had installed back in December down there, so I could run my hose and continue the 2-inch water line with the tracer wire all the way up, nice and deep too, so tempting to keep the cold water in the summertime. And then it comes up here and it'll go into the house here, and this should be the wall in between the laundry room and the bathroom right here. So right out there will be the septic system, and that where that low spot sits right now. Left all that for extra dirt for the leach wells or the septic wells, whatever they're technically referred to. This going to another bathroom there. This will also service the kitchen right here. The dishwasher and the kitchen sink will be right there. And it comes over here to the other bathroom, shower, and bathtub that's over there. So yeah, making good progress with everything out here. Very happy to see all this coming along. Got some video from yesterday when they had the backhoe in here. Older New Holland backhoe. Haven't seen one of those in a long time. Yeah, they came under the footer right there. And then they, I guess they tie this into the septic, wherever the septic will end up sitting over here. So that's that. That's an update where it sits as of right now. And cool, thanks for watching.